Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the other two functions, which are text functions, called the left function as well as the right function. These functions are used to extract a substring from a given text string. They accept two arguments, with the first compulsory and the second one optional. As you can see over there, the text argument is compulsory and the numCars argument is optional. The text argument, it represents the string to extract a substring from. The numCars, this specifies the number of characters the substring should have. Now, looking at the left function, the left function retains a substring of specified number of characters from the left of a given text string. If the numCars argument is not supplied, it retains the first character of the given text string. The right function returns a substring of specified number of characters from the right of a given text string. If the numCars argument is not supplied, it retains the last character of a given text string. This is about these two functions, the left and the right functions. We are now going to head over to our Excel, where we are going to look at the functionality of these two functions. Here is our spreadsheet. Looking at this spreadsheet at the moment, we have got the string word application. From this string, we are going to extract the first three characters. We are going to take the first three characters as our substring. So I want to write it here. So I'm going to use the left function because I want to return the left one. Right? This is our text application. The number of characters, I want 3. If I click on OK, it's going to return the word app, as you can see over there. Okay. So let's say I don't specify the number of characters. Not specify. If I don't specify, it retains the first character of the string. Okay. Now let's use the right function. This is the right function. The right function, I'm gonna extract the last characters, about 5 characters. It's gonna give us the last 5 characters from the right of this string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Action. This is what we get. Let's not supply the number of characters and see what it gives us. It gives us the last character. As you can see, this is N, the last character of this word. This is how the right and the left functions work. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something.